Dear aspirants, we will continue with the basic math type of the questions. These are related to proportionates and percentages as I mentioned in the previous class. So question number 5. A retailer offers two successive discounts of 20% and 30%. What is the net decrease in the price? And in the mathematics, either the thing which we need to find out, we will take it as x, or we are going to assume it as 100. So I'll follow the same method. Price I will assume it as 100, and the first discount is the 20%. So 20 into 100 will be obviously 20, the remaining is 80, and again this is 30% of the discount, but this 30% is on 80, and 3 8s are 24, so that is why this will be 56. So how much decrease in the price they have asked? How much decrease in the price? The 44% decrease in the price. We have considered it as 100, so that is why 44% decrease in the price. You can see here it is 20 discount, here it is 24 discount. The total discount is 44, and that much is decreased in the price. So this is the answer for this particular question. I'll go for the next question. Yes, income is 70% of B's income is 50% of C's, and C's income is 1,50,000. So what is the income of A? They have asked. So B's income is 50% of C's they have given. So what is B's income? So B's income will become 1 lakh into 50%. So that is why B's income will become 50,000. And what is A's income? A's income is 70% of B's income. So 70% of B's income will be 7 5s are 35,000. So that is what? 75%. So this should be your answer. B's income is 50,000. C's income is 35,000. So in fact, there is another shortcut to solve this as well. So 70 into 50. So 7 5s are 35. So 35% of 1 lakh should be the A's income in fact. Question number 7. This is a little bit tricky. In an exam, a student scored 50% of the maximum marks and it failed by 15 marks. If he had scored 10% more than what he scored, he would have just managed to get pass. He would have got just managed to get pass percentage. What are the maximum marks they have asked? So they have asked about what is the maximum marks. So how to solve this? Here I will follow the trick of x. So max marks I will consider as x. So how much he has got? He got 0.5x, or else 50% of the maximum marks. And if he scored 10% more, then he would have got pass percentage. I'll write it like 0.5x, x is nothing but a maximum marks, into 0.10 is equal to 15. So if he got additional 15 marks, then he would have get passed, right? So I'm taking this 0.10 to this particular side, so that will become 15 by 0.10 is equal to 0.5x. So the calculation will become 150 divided by 0.5 is equal to x, so that the maximum marks should be 300. So question number 8. In a basket of fruits, 60% are mangoes, remaining are apples. So I will write it as mangoes are 60%, apples are 40%. So total fruits I will take as 100 just for our simple calculation. 25% of the apple are green. So out of this 40, 25% are green. So that means how much? It is 10 are green. And out of the mangoes, 80% are red. So 80% means how much? So 6 are 48. So 48 are red. How much are remaining? Just 12 are remaining. So what is the proportionate of the green fruits which are available? They have asked. So green fruits is 12 plus 10. So 22% of the fruits are green fruits. So this is what our solution. This question, if 2/3 of the residents in a housing society own cars and furthermore 1/2 of that cars are Swifts, what percentage of the residents owns the Swift cars? This is very simple question. We know that 2/3 is nothing but 66.67, out of which half, okay, so half means how much percentage? 50%, we can say. So 50% of 66.67 is 33.33, and this will continue. So 33% are having the Swift cars. So how much percentage of the total residents have the Swift cars? So obviously it is 33.33%. Okay, so instead of going for the complex calculations, we can solve this particular problem in this simple way. So that is why in the data interpretation itself, I told we should know about the fractions and about the proportionates as well, and how to convert the fractions into percentages we should know. So this is the last question for today's class. Neeru's expenditure and savings are in the ratio of 3:2. If income is increased 10% and expenses are increased 12%, by what percentage does her savings increases? So this is the simple explanation. We always know that savings is equal to income minus expenditure. Correct? So this is simple formula. We know about this. If we are imagining her income is 100, in that case 3:2 means 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So expenditure will become 60. So this proportionate is a proportionate of expenditure and the savings. So her expenditure will become 60 and 40 is her savings. So now what happened? In her income there is an increase of 10%. So that means her income is becoming 110 now, and her expenses are increasing by 12% plus 12%. So usually this 12% is on 60%. So what is the 12% of 60%? That will become around 7.2. So 12, 6 are 72. So her expenses will be 67.2. So how much is remaining? Her savings will become 42.8. So what is asked, by what percentage does her savings increases? Her savings was 40%, and because of increase in the income and increase in the expenses, her savings are increased by how much percentage? It is 40 minus 42.8 percentage, that is 2.8 percentage. So that's it for today's class. If you like this particular video, please like, share, subscribe and comment your opinion as well. If you want me to solve any of the problems, please do mention in the comment box also. Click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you for watching.